You know what a harlequin is? A harlequin's role is to serve. It's nothing without a master. And no one gives two shits who we are beyond that. The Joker and I broke up. I wanted a fresh start. But it turns out I wasn't the only dame in Gotham looking for emancipation.
Spectacular news! Miss Quinn, she belongs to me.
Who are you guys?
Here's the deal, Quinn. You need me!
He's after all of us now. None of us are walking out of here unless we work together.
With you? You gotta be kidding me.
Isn't this fun? It's just like a sleepover. We should order pizza. Big Cosmos. Harley, focus. Okay. I'm the one they should be scared of. Boom! Not you, not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley freaking Quinn.
Woo! Who's having a good time?
Get ready, ladies. Psycho chick. I never call a woman a chick. I'll accept broad, lady, woman, and on occasion, bitch. Bitch? What are you talking about? That for me, will you?
One last time. One last time.
Cause it's bad boy for life.
Hey! Oh, shit. Oh. Come on, man.
You could get that buffed out.
No, you can get that buffed out.
Remember, knock and talk.
Yeah, knock, knock.
Miami PD, get down! What the hell happened to knock and talk?
Hands behind your head right now.
I got this. I'm gonna penetrate this man's soul with my heart.
What?
Watch and learn. Sir, I realize that you're scared. You know, sometimes fear.
How deep you think you got in his soul?
I'm done, Mike. I'm retiring.
Uh-oh, here we go again.
You want your legacy to be muscle shirts and body counts?
Look at this mess. It's carnage.
I didn't do all this.
You didn't shoot anybody?
Well, come on, Cap. You know I shot some people.
Yeah.
Fuck me!
Fuck.
In these streets, I never trusted anybody but you. I'm asking you, man. Bad boys.
One last time. One last time.
I'm the definition of half man, half drugs. Ass to clubs, bad boy, that's what's up.
He's driving through a mall. We're not just black, we're cops too. We'll pull ourselves over later.
It's official. I survived what I've been through. Y'all got drama, the saga continues. Bad boys. He ain't going nowhere.
You were right about the glasses. I've been telling your ass for a year.
He can't be stopped now.
Shit, Mike. He's in like HD.
Cause it's bad boy for life. He ain't going nowhere. Cause it's bad boy for life.
Bad boys, bad boys.
Hey,
what you gonna do? What you gonna do when we come back?
Hey, no, never. Y'all will never do that again.
Yeah, and you fucking up the lyrics, which take a long time to learn.
Cause it's bad boy for life.
This will not be a war of heroes. Which is all to say, this is going to be fun.
The world burns.
You have no idea of what men are capable of.
We must do something.
I know you want to fight. But there are other ways of doing your duty. You're going to need a suit. Come on. We are the first independent intelligence agency. Preserving peace and protecting life.
Welcome to the club.
Generals gathered in their masses, just like witches at black masses.
While governments wait for orders, our people take action.
Evil minds that plot destruction.
Now it's time to show the world.
Sorcerer of death's construction.
How mighty you are.
Oh, Lord, yeah.
Our enemies think we are gentle men. But reputation is what people think of you. Character is what you are. Armed and ready. Armed, yes. But ready, well, we shall see. This is called a parachute. It means that one can jump out of a plane safely.
Is this really what you want? Living in the shadows, hunting, being hunted, always looking behind you, always alone?
I'm not sure I ever had a choice.
So what's going on out there? What happened? What's been happening?
I've seen it before. Nothing new.
This is happening now, right now, outside this building, down on those streets, in this world, and we're doing a disservice to the public to deny it.
The truth is, I'm the one to blame.